Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to convert a logo to bitmap in Gimp, and this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the tutorial here. Now, this is still part of our print job report. What we're going to be doing now is looking at adding a logo to the actual print job. But in order to do that, we first need to make sure our logo is the right format, as the program only supports bitmap files or BMP files. So the first method we're going to use is a program called Gimp. This is a free program. It's been around for around 27 years now. As you can see, they've got the celebration in the background. I've been using this for a number of years. It's the equivalent, you can say, of Photoshop, but free. We will be covering Photoshop as well if you have that instead. Now you can simply go to their website gimp.org. You want to download it, so I'm just going to zoom in there so you guys can see it. Click the download, the 2.10, and then you install it and start it. Now after you've downloaded and started it, it will look something similar to this. Then what you want to do is locate your logo. I've already located mine, and then just either drag and drop it into the actual program like that, or you go on top here to file, go open, and then you go locate your file. Now it is important if you have a transparent background like this, because this was a PNG, just to maybe make a white background. So I'm going to go here on this layers menu, and then I'm going to click this little paper with a plus. And then from these settings, I'm going to leave most of this a name. I might just change most of it the same. I'm just going to change the name to white, and then here at the fill width, I'm going to change this from transparency to white. Say OK. And then what I can do now, I'm going to just export this, or rather first move this white layer down. So now you've got these buttons here on the actual layer menu as well. You can see up and down. Make sure your white layer is selected. As you can see, it's grayed out there. And I'm going to click one down. You can also just simply click and hold with your left mouse button and move it higher, same as in Photoshop. Now once that is right, I'm going to just export it. So we're going to go File, and then we go Export As. So as we can see there, then I'm going to navigate to the right file. I'm just going to put it at the extension here at the back, call it BMP, so I know which one it is. And then what you want to do is, I think in this program we can just change this extension to BMP. What we can also do is go over here, select file type, open that, and then we navigate down till we find the bitmap file format. Now they've got quite a variety of different file formats you can export it as. So there we go. We've got bitmap, Windows bitmap image, say export, and then I'm just going to leave everything as default and say export. Now in essence this should be now correct. There we go. We've got our bitmap. Can open it, and then we can see we've got a little bitmap logo, and it's ready for the program. But before we upload it, we're just going to look at a few different ways we can do this in case you do not have Gimp. But before that, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.